that workers no mo ye adwuma wa AstroTurf ne so no ekobisa ni omo supervisor ne say na sika de wo he a esamfu bi osaka cho mo say ono kwa na edeka what dey why you so adwuma and I know say you have duly handed
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And your contractor is a very good friend, but the supervisor, yay, mami yankasem. Na anyebiao, Mr. Bisa, nananom, Mr. Bisa Ganaga CEO, Mr. Bisa, yedim se rakoni asa jima oni ha asokwa MC, watu kwa kakra. Saso ena mama part. Meno kaso omrashe bedwem. The intentions are so clear. Na enti when we hear the my community na so hear the my school no and a combination of the two.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Because we hear the my community there. AstroTurf so hear the my community there. But do you have videos of the AstroTurf? Very fantastic one. Okay. So hear the my community there. Then there were a lot of requirements. They make it kitty board by one yanka home. I mean, said the purpose. No toilet facility, no dressing room, nothing. But if say a school need dear, because the school has a toilet facility, and me person yes sir, it's a community project, and now school need benefit and hard. And I say a school need project and a community need benefit. Try to set the rules right. So that I will send question from me because I know that when the Osaka project who don't be in your capacity as the CEO of Ghana Gas. But hey, with all due respect to you, sir, your people, some people within your circle, within your space. What your member says before because I'm going for the be greedy. They are very greedy. When the brand here, they are only interested in
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
So you give them a little opportunity. Now you entrust something in their hands, and here I'm not from the say seven in previous. Adria when you kwadu awodi. I'm not from the say adria when you kwadu awodi. Because Akoma diomo and these people are finding their way to come into your space, and these people will disappoint you because they are greedy. Am I come to my Mr. Wa? Now him. Maybe there. I've not met you in person before. I've heard a lot about you because you're a fantastic man.
Akoma
yes.
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
But I'm saying, sir, people around you, say, so PMPD, not ways about it. They don't cry there. Me, you can't say, you cry the baby, now, you have to take a class also because my partnership PJ. Also, onya si that GPO. MP for Sokwa. What's my call how details for? It's me one name go be him. You see, there are so many things surrounding this whole situation. Ejuma now ye there. Yami anim no kura nim. Say Ghana gas for sika now dey ya. Yami shraw. E wo bottom sika now dey ya. Yami shraw. Name may catch now. Some people within your space or people who are trying to find ways to enter within your space will disappoint you because some of them are greedy. Identify them and throw them out. Because what we are on the will say form Ghana Gas CEO. This is my humble advice to you. Because one, I never quit see what remember Sebi. Baba Nchewo. But in some course we now no Martini na.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
What your boys no be able to hwene. And I go what you ready. And what you shimmy. And I say and I walk at the way. Walk at the way. Walk at papa no. Because only the way na from there. And you this had the man I don't know. What you ready. Over what could go for super day. Over catch up the why day. So these are some of the realities.